Now we can move to next topic, which is separation of liquid to liquid mixture. Now we can separate the solid from liquid and solid from solid and soluble solid from solids. Now in this one we can separate two liquid mixtures. First of all, we can understand what is that liquid mixtures. The two type of mixtures of a liquid. First one is miscible liquids and second one is immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids means what? When liquid gets mixed with another liquid. These two liquids are called as miscible liquids. For example, water and lemon. When you mix the lemon in a water, the both liquids are mixed together. It means which the kind of liquid it is miscible liquids. And immiscible, come to the next one, immiscible. Opposite to the miscible one. When the liquid does not mix with another liquid, then the two liquids are called immiscible liquids. For example, oil in water. When you mix oil in a water, the oil is not able to mix in it. After some time, it will just go upside of the water and separate easily. It not mix in water. So these two liquids are immiscible. Now we can go to the next one. Here in this slide, you can understand with the help of picture. See, miscible liquids, two liquids that are soluble in each other, alcohol and water. It means what? These two, alcohol and water, are mixed in each other. So it is miscible. And in immiscible, when two liquids are not soluble in each other, and easily see the oil and water is never mixed in each other. So it is immiscible. So how we can just separate the immiscible liquids? Easily see, we can easily separate the immiscible liquids. We are not easily separate the miscible liquids. Okay, we can use another method for that. We have, but here we can discuss only immiscible ones. We can use this separating funnel to separate the immiscible liquids. In this, here also few examples of immiscible and miscible liquids are there. Here is alcohol is a miscible in water and oil is immiscible in water. You can easily see in a diagram, in a figure. Now we will discuss the next one, solution and solubility. Next topic is what? Solution and solubility. When some salt is added to water, okay, and stir it, after some time you see the salt is disappear. Why this is so? Because what it means that salt, when you dissolve salt in the water, after some time you see salt is not there. It means what? The salt is completely dissolved in water. So dissolving is a change when where the substances mixed completely with the liquid they have been added to. Not all substance dissolve in water. If you see sand is not dissolved in water. Chalk powder is not dissolved in water. You see sugar, easily dissolved in water. Salt, easily dissolved in water. So few substances are dissolved, few are not. Only some substances like salt, sugar dissolve in water and are known as soluble substance. So what do you mean by soluble substance? A soluble substance are those substances which are easily dissolved in water. For example, sugar and salt. And substance like chalk, sand do not dissolve in water. That's why it is called as insoluble substances. So you can understand these two. The substances that dissolve is called as solute, and a substance in which the solute dissolve is called as solvent. And then which one is solute and which one is solvent? Little bit you can confuse, but see here, which dissolved. For example, if we dissolve sugar in water, that sugar is solute, and in which the sugar is dissolved is a solvent. Okay, just understand with this figure. Here is few crystals of solute which is dissolved in this beaker. I'm taking a solvent, consider water. Okay, that will be solute is dissolved in solvent. Then after dissolving, what is formed? Solution. Here I'm showing with one more figure, can easily understood. Then the what in this one, the water which is behave as a solvent, and which is dissolved in it is a solute, and both of them mix together to form what? Solution. So the resultant mixture is what we call the resultant mixture. When solute and solvents are mixed together, what is formed? Solution. So we can just write like that: solute plus solvent give rise to solution. In the place of solute, what we take? We can take sugar, and in place of solvent, we can take water. So what is formed? Sugar solution. Just understand this with the help of this diagram. Here is the sugar and here is the water. Both are form a sugar solution. But here is the sand and there is a water. It is not form as no solution. Why? Because sand is not dissolved in water. And for solution, what is necessary? The substance is soluble in a nature. Okay, then solution form. Here I am showing some solutions. Okay, wait. First solution is diluted solution. When we call solution is diluted, when we dissolve a little solute in it, then it is a which one? Diluted solution. When it is called concentrated, when we dissolve lots of solute in it, little more solute is dissolved in it, then it is a concentrated. And when it is called a saturated, when we dissolve a maximum amount of solute in it. Now our next topic is about saturated solution. You can understand with easily with the help of this. When we mix little solute, we can say that solution is diluted, and when we mix lot of solute, then it is concentrated. And when we mix a maximum amount of solute, then when we mix maximum amount, what is there? The acid solutes are settled down at the bottom. Okay, so on the basis of that, we can just see the saturated solution. If we keep adding sugar in a water and stir the solution each time, a state comes when no more solute dissolve, and no matter how much we stir, then we say that solution has become saturated. A solution in which no more of the solute can be dissolved at a given temperature is called as saturated solution. It means when we add 1 spoon of sugar in it, it is a sugar solution. When we add more spoons of sugar, like 2, 3, 4, 5 stick, and stir it, after some time you see it is 2, 3, 4 spoon of sugar easily dissolve in it. But after that, when you add 2, 3, 4 more spoons of sugar, after some time you see that sugar is not dissolved, that sugar crystals are settled at the bottom of glass. So on that time, that solution is called as saturated solution. Understand? Okay. Now next one is topic is solubility. From the name only you have to understand solubility. It means ability to soluble in its ability to soluble in water. The term solubility is defined as maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given solvent. A solute is substance being dissolved like powder, and solvent is dissolving agent. Solubility is nothing, as it is the ability of any substance to dissolve in it, and that substance is what? Solutes only. Then ability of solute to dissolve in a given solvent. The solubility of solute can be increased. How we can increase the solubility? By heating the solution. When we heat the solution, we can dissolve more solute in it. And by stirring properly, we can uh, just add more solute and stir bubbly, then the solute easily dissolve by adding solute in a powdered form. And if you just dissolve big crystals of solute, then it takes too much time. So if we just make that crystals into powdery form, it is very easy to dissolve in solvent. So this is all about this chapter. I hope you understand this chapter easily, and thank you